Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of statistics. Yep, we're tackling z-scores and their relationship with the normal distribution. So, let's start with the basics. A z-score, also known as a standard score, tells us how many standard deviations an element is from the mean. Imagine you got your math test back and scored higher than the average. How much higher? That's what the z-score tells you. Now let's break it down. The normal distribution, often called the bell curve, is a probability distribution that's symmetric around the mean. Most of the data points cluster around the center, with fewer and fewer as you move away. Think of it as a giant hill, with most people hanging out in the middle. Here's where z-scores come in. They help us standardize different data points for comparison. If you have a z-score of 0, you're right at the mean. Positive z-scores mean you're above the mean, and negative z-scores mean you're below it. It's a universal way to compare any data point within the normal distribution. But why should you care? Well, z-scores allow you to understand where you stand in any dataset. Say you're applying to college, and you want to know how your SAT scores stack up against other applicants. By using z-scores, you can see exactly where you fall in the distribution and how competitive you are. In essence, z-scores take the guesswork out of interpreting data in a normal distribution. They provide clarity and consistency, which is crucial for making informed decisions. So, next time you see a bell curve, remember, z-scores are your best friend in understanding where you fit in the grand scheme of things. Thanks for tuning in, and happy studying. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more statistical insights.